Hey guys, Miata Man here. Today we are looking at this NA Miata, and what we're looking at is a headlight gap. As you can tell, we got quite a gap here, and what I want to do is show you the real easy way to fix that with zero tools, and only take a couple minutes. So let's proceed. First thing we want to do is open up the hood. Quickly reach in and do that. There we go. Shop cap. All right, so we'll put the hood prop up here. All right, so now we've got the hood up. We can really easily see, you can actually see that this is actually bent down right there. So you can get your fingers right underneath this lip and gently give it a pull. Don't pull too hard, just a nice gentle lift on it and you'll feel it move. You can see that one there, it's sloped in as well. Get your fingers in there. And you can see right now that that's back to where it should be, just from a light pull upwards there. So we'll do the other side as well. This side wasn't as bad. There we go. Now, we'll close this down and we'll see how much of a difference that has just made. There we go. So now we've got, if you're up a little too high, it's real easy just to give it a little push down and then you get it so it's pretty flush. It looks real good there. It's at the right height. And that's how you fix your headlight doors on your first generation Miata. Hope that helps you guys out. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. I'll make you more videos real soon. Thanks guys.